Looks like goodbye.
Oh my God.
Get off. Goodbye. Goodbye. This is ECR, actually. That is the ECR. We update it. With that Nick Ricardo, Danetta, and Martha.
Sheriff's office with a This is my way every day to go to work with my guineas.
The sneaky way. All the way. I want the M1.
Hey. Hello.
This is the M1. Show the M1.
Oh yes. This is the famous M1. It's like the Principal Avenue.
Principal.
Hello.
The crew office.
The crew. Oh yes. This is the crew office. Believe it or not, it's closed like usually.
Look, a good citizen getting a phone card. And amazingly enough, they're not sold out.
Can't believe it. Thank you, bye. Wait. It's touching my mouth.
Antonio, like this, Antonio. Like this, Antonio. You go on part
No.
of it.
No, you gotta help me.
Ah, the next one.
Gee,
No, the next one, because I
you're being caught on camera.
So what?
Fine. Yeah, look here.
Emerald Princess tripped down the M1.
What? You touch hand and pumped up. What have you been doing?
No, I don't know. I need drinking.
Hey!
Yes?